Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike, you're in for a special treat today because I have a special guest. You know him from his famous words. You remember when you said, "I'm in the car"? You remember that? You know who this is? Come here, come here, come here, come here. Ta-da! It's my grandson Ethan, yay! You really have to be kidding me, right? See all the little pistons?
Right, it looks like snow.
I'm flooring a V12 engine. You thought this was going to be perfect, right? Why can't I, fall in love with a Lexus? Monkey. Wrench. Mike. Yay!
I'm in the car.
Yeah, this is really happening, folks. Yeah, we are really... Child labor laws.
Yeah, but I've got enough muscle to carry this car up.
You do?
Yep.
All right, here we go. He's going to jack the car up, and we're hopefully going to change the oil. She can come out. We got a house full of people. Lola's here. Ethan's here. My daughter's here. It's mayhem. Yes, so we got him jacking up the car. Keep going. Yeah, 5 years old, free labor. There you go. Keep going. You got it? Yep. Okay, let me get some wheel chucks real quick. Stay right there, okay? Freeze!
I'm jacking it up
Okay.
20 more times.
20 more times. Car's gonna be this high. Okay, I think that's perfect right there. Hold it right there for just a second, okay? Because I just gotta look under here and see how we get the oil out, okay?
What's that? Look at that. Look how rough it is.
Yeah.
I said I
Come
lifted the car up a lot. I mean,
You lift
lot.
a lot? Like how much?
Yeah. Look at that tire. It's literally off the ground.
It is off the ground. You did good. Here. Okay. Now, we have to do safety first. So we have to put this under here so the car doesn't fall on our head. Okay?
Okay.
I don't think your mom would like me if your car fell on your head. Oh. Well. Okay, let's see here. We need tools. We'll have to get some tools. We got to go up a little higher.
I can do it. I can do it.
Okay. Hey-ya! Perfect. Okay. I think that's perfect right there. Thank you.
You're okay.
Okay, we're good. Now it's safe. Now, do you know what sockets are and wrenches and stuff?
Oh,
You do?
I can wear a spinning tire.
Okay, you spin that. You know how to use these?
I'm not a professional
Okay.
at it. But are these for the pan? Are these that pan right there?
That pan right there? Yeah.
Okay, so I need you to hold that if I'm gonna do it.
Yeah, you got, okay, come over here. You got to lay down on your back.
Okay.
Okay, and you see these little bolts right here?
Yep.
Can you take those off?
I think so, but
Okay.
you need to hold that top that
Okay.
we're taking out.
Okay,
So
I'll hold it
doesn't
for you.
fall on my
Okay.
arm.
Here we go.
Squish my arm.
Okay.
All right.
You got to keep turning it.
Come on.
Whoops. There you go.
Hold it.
Oh, I got to hold it?
the platform.
Okay, there you go.
Hold-
Now turn it. There you go.
And hold that platform.
There you go.
So it
Keep
doesn't
going.
fall on my head.
Oh, it's not going to fall on your head.
Why?
If it falls on your head, your mom won't like me anymore. Can you do this one?
Yeah.
Can you turn it? Okay. Here we go.
I've got it.
Okay.
I've got it.
So much for an oil change. There you go. Now turn it. There you go. Good. I'll hold it up there. You just got to turn it. Okay. There it is. Good job. Keep going. Oops.
Come on, I've got to say something to them.
You got to say something? What are you going to say?
I am actually bad at screwing out.
You're bad at screwing out bolts?
Yep, from a car, underneath a car. So I'm afraid a platform would fall on me.
No. That's why we have
Oh, and we have a dog named Lola, and his color of his hair is black and white.
Yes, exactly right. Exactly right. Okay,
And
we have one
tan.
back over there we still have to get. Now you got to push. There it is. Look at that. Good job. Okay, not, yeah, that's, you have to make sure that it makes, okay, that's not doing anything. It's got to be hard to turn, then you know you're turning it. There you go. Other way, other way, other way, other way. There. It takes some effort. Yeah.
What? Is this the correct way?
Nope, other way. It's got to go the other way.
You hold it then.
I'll hold it then. Here we go. There you go. Now keep going that way. Good job. Teamwork.
As you see, I'm laying on my back trying to do this, and a squirrel could like bite me in the face.
What could bite you in the face? This car?
A squirrel.
Oh, a squirrel?
Yep.
Yeah, that would be terrible, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Okay, I think I can get that one with my fingers. And there's one more. You see the other one?
Yep.
Can you get that one?
Yep, but I'm not gonna have to do it myself.
Okay. I forgot. What are we doing again? What are we changing?
The oil.
Yes. Okay. This is going to be the longest YouTube video ever.
Yeah.
But the funniest, right?
Yep.
Yep. How many turns does it take to get the bolt out? A lot?
It's just, I need to say something to
Okay.
the camera.
What are you going to say?
It's just too much for me to screw out. Blurry.
Okay, keep going. You almost got it out. You almost got it. Oh, Lola's going to come in and check it out too. Okay, how are you, Lola? You want to get in on this? Okay, thank you. Thank you, Miss Lola. You're jealous. Okay. Oh.
And he's on. Our dog is blurry on my foot.
Yeah, she likes to be in the video too.
Yep.
I'm working with two camera hogs.
All right.
Keep going. You've almost got it.
I've been like screwing this out 100 times.
Yeah.
Blurry. Talking to the camera.
Okay, keep going. So we made a discovery. You don't have to take the panels off to change the oil in a Cadillac. What year is this? 2016? Yeah. CTS. They made it easy for us. So that was just for practice, Ethan. That's all that was. That was just practice. So we have to get I think it's a 13. You know what a 13 millimeter wrench looks like? No? Okay.
But I just need to like.
Okay.
For a second.
Okay. Well, let me drain the oil and then you can have it, okay?
Dad.
Tell me you don't have to remove this bar to drain the oil.
No. You are bad. You are bad. You are bad.
Where's my gloves when I need them? Oh, great. There it is. Okay. Ethan! We did it.
All right.
Where'd you go?
I was trying to look for it,
Yeah, we got to do this.
but I'm gonna do it with that.
Okay.
I
Well, I'll get
know
this
it.
started then, okay?
Okay.
And then you can tighten it up because once I do this, it'll stop dripping. Okay. Can I use your paper towel?
Yes, because
Okay.
you have it.
Thank you.
Oh, geez, you got some on your fingers.
I do. I got a lot on my fingers.
Why is it only that much in there?
Why is it only that much?
Yeah.
Well,
No,
that's
in
all
the
that's
bucket.
left. Ugh. Ooh. Okay.
Like in the bucket. Why is there a little bit in the bucket?
Because the bucket with all the other oil I moved. In case we drop the bolt, you don't want to drop it in a bucket full of oil. You want to drop it in a bucket that doesn't have a whole bunch of oil. Okay, can you fit that on there?
Yep.
So that's a 15 millimeter. Can you say 15
And
millimeter?
What is this?
That's a wrench.
I know, but what millimeter?
15. 15. It's a 15.
So is that?
It'll fit just
same as
perfect.
it?
Yeah. And you remember righty tighty, lefty loosey? You know what that means? There you go. There. Now you got to go this way.
Okay, I've got
Okay.
it.
Now we start over, and you tighten it more.
Okay.
Okay, you got it here.
accidentally
There you go.
moved
Push. You got to tighten it up. Push it. Oh, almost.
You gotta like put it all the way in.
Yeah, there you go. Can you move that now? Push it.
Ow, you're squishing my fingers.
Oh, I'm squishing your fingers. Okay, let me just tighten it up a little bit, and then we'll be done with the dirty part, okay? All right, here we go. We'll torque it down to just tight enough, and that's perfect. We did it.
Yep.
Okay, now we get to do the fun part. Okay.
What?
Okay, I'm just gonna, oh, yuck, yuck. Oh, this is spilling everywhere.
What is?
The oil. Oh, yuck. Look at that. Look how messy that is.
Yep.
Ooh.
Yep. You definitely need the paper towels.
Yeah.
I've got tape. I will get the paper towels as soon as possible.
Okay.
I need paper towels, so I'm gonna get it.
Are you watching? You gotta learn. You said that. You're gonna have to do this.
Okay. Wait a minute. What'd you just say?
Why isn't my face in it?
Why isn't your face in the camera?
Yeah.
Here. There you go. Now say something spectacular.
We are almost done with changing oil.
Good job. Okay. So now we have to lower the car. We drained the oil, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Now we lower the car.
We put on a new filter, right? Wait a second. Wait. I got to take this out first. Because we have this here for safety. Now, you got to be very careful and don't do it too fast so the car doesn't drop. Let's come over here. There we go. You ready?
Yep.
And you got to turn it this way. Which way are you turning? We got to go this way. This way. Okay, here it goes. Hold it. Hold it.
Okay.
Now turn it a little more. See how it comes down? Now pull it out. Ta-da! Here you go. Woo! What did I say as a cheerleader? Go Pokes! As I fall and break my neck. Oh, God! Okay, now drag me. Drag me that way. Make me go. Come on.
Stop. Can't do it.
Oh, higher. Wait a second. Wait a sec. Okay. Okay, now drag me that way.
Okay.
Slow. Grandpa's breakable now. Okay. Wait, that's too high. That's too high. Okay. Here we go. Okay. Drag it that way, out of the way. Here we go. Step on it. Okay, you ready?
Yep.
Up. Here. Here we go. How high you want to go?
When I say stop.
Here you go. Yep. So this is called a floor jack. Can you say that? Floor jack.
Yep.
Not a jackhammer. There it is.
I want to go.
You're as tall as me now, almost.
Mom, am I taller than you?
Here we go. You ready?
Yep. No, Jesus.
Okay, here we go.
I feel like I'm gonna cry.
Yeah.
Whoa. This is scary.
Good job. We got you.
Come on. Come on.
Hold on. Okay.
Not like looking at us from the front of it.
It's looking at us from that way. You want to be on camera again?
Yeah.
You're on camera. Say something spectacular.
Wait, Cheez-It break. Come on.
Cheez-It break. We need Cheez-Its. Okay. So we got the right oil, 5W30. Mobile 1, baby. And we need a funnel. So he's on a Cheez-It break. I'm going to find a funnel.
We got
Cheez-Its, baby.
Oh, yeah.
This video is sponsored. It is not sponsored by Cheez-Its. I wish it was. Okay. How many Cheez-Its do we get? How many do we... Oh, yeah. Yes. That many Cheez-Its. Thank you, sir. Okay. Mm-hmm. Mom gets some too. Okay. I need the oil. Ooh. Mm-hmm. Can you get the oil?
Yep. Well, I'll pour it in if it's like not too far.
Okay.
Just hold
Well,
the cheese.
if it's okay if you sit on your mom's car.
No,
I'm gonna
it's
put
not.
these in my pocket. They'll be right here if you want them. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Well, come here. We gotta open it.
Okay.
Okay.
Here. But I'm gonna do it myself.
Mm-hmm.
Let me pour it in myself. Just tell me when to like stop putting it in.
Okay.
Tell me when to stop. So I'm gonna put it in.
It takes the whole thing. It takes 5 quarts.
Oh.
This is the 4-cylinder turbo. So we had to look on the internet and find out how much oil it held. And that's a jet. Like a fighter jet.
Come on, I'm gonna have to like sit down here.
Well, you don't want to sit on that, do you? Well, you could. Is that okay if he sits on your car? He'll be fine. Here we go. Just go like this. There you go. Perfect. Now help me hold it.
Okay.
There you go. You ready?
Yep.
And we pour it in. How much does it take? Do you know? Do you remember?
Yep.
How much?
5 quarters.
5 quarts. Yes, sir. We looked on the internet. So what's the order? What did we do today? We lifted up the car, right?
Change the oil.
We
the oil.
we took the old oil out, right?
Yep. Then change the oil to new oil.
Yes, that's exactly right. And your mama's good for another 10,000 miles or so. Look at that. You know how see how it's kind of clear?
Yeah.
That means it's new.
Oh.
What color was it when it came out?
Black.
Black. That means it's old. It's used. And look at that. Here. Boom. Here we got it. You ready? Jump. Ah.
No, I can do
Show everybody what you're doing. Where's the Cheez-Its? In my pocket. Okay, good job. Good job. Now we start the car, let it idle, turn it off, measure the oil. Here's your dipstick. So you take it out, you wipe it off.
Grandpa, can I please like hold the
Yeah.
part that goes in?
Yeah. Let's check it and then you can hold it, okay?
Okay.
So you put it in, you leave it in there for a second. Take it out, and you got to look and see if you got enough in there. Okay, see those dots?
Yeah, I know. I know already.
That means it's full, right?
Yep.
So we did good. Okay, you want to put it back in? Can you reach there or you just want to hold it?
Well, I want to hold it.
Okay. All right, that, my friends, is how you change the oil with a 5-year-old grandson. Come in here. You did good. You know that? You did really good. Yeah?
Look at my shoes.
Look at the shoes. What about the shoes? They're cool shoes. Yeah?
Just throw them.
So can you say one thing for everybody that's watching right now? Can you say, I'm in the car? That's what everybody knows you for. Say, I'm in the car.
We just got done changing the oil in car.
Okay. Can you say Monkey Wrench Mike signing out? Say so long. No. Can you say subscribe? Subscribe?
And like, yeah.
Subscribe and like. Tell everybody to subscribe and to like.
Subscribe and like, and then another video will pop up.
Perfect! Good job. High five. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. Don't know what we learned, but we laughed a lot, right? Good stuff. Bye.
I'm in the car.
You got to scream it. I'm in the car.
I'm in the car!
One more time. I'm in the car. We tried.